Right. Hi, everybody. This is welcome to AI and Me. We are going to be doing some cube movement on Unity. I just want to show y'all how to make a cube move using ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is pull up Unity. We're going to click on New Project right up here. And we're going to click 3D Core, and we're going to name our project. And I'll just name it Tutorial Cube. Yeah, that's fine. And then create project down here. Okay. And then we just wait for it to load. This is just a quick tutorial on how to use ChatGPT into making code for Unity. So first thing we need to do when it pulls up is we need to make a cube. So click in the hierarchy right here and go down to cube, 3D objects, cube. Okay, see? And then we need to name our cube player. Okay. Yep. And then the next thing we need to do is create a script for that. So we're going to go up to create, and I'm going to make a folder just called scripts. And we're going to put all our scripts into this folder. That's a good idea to keep that. And then we're going to go up. Go to C# scripts. It's a good idea to name everything also. So player movement is usually what it's going to be called. I think it's something else in this case, but it's okay. All right, so now we're going to go to ChatGPT, okay? And we're going to have it write a code in C# for Unity to make a player, which is a cube, move in 3D space. And this is what it came up with. And it's writing all the code now. And as you can see, it says player controller, not player movement. So this is what you need to name your script right here, is this name, or it won't work. So anything that this comes up with, make sure that your script is named the same thing as that. All right. It's player controller. All right. Once it's done, it explains what all it's done and how to. It tells you a little bit how to make sure you put it into your object. So we're going to copy it and go back to Unity, and then double click the script, and it pulls up Visual Studio. I'm going to highlight everything and then paste. Yeah, and then don't forget to save. It's Control S, and then it saves it all. Just don't forget to press that. And then we're going to drag this up to our player, the script. Oh, we got to name it. That's right. We got to name it player controller. Now we're going to raise it, just bring it right up and put it into player. And let's play and see how it works, if it works. And there we go. Look at that. It moves around perfectly. I'm using the arrows to move it. We did it! Yay! Subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. And I hope y'all have a great day, great night, great evening, whatever you're having. Just have it a great one. All right, bye, y'all.